I went shopping and I can't wait to show you what I found. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a shopping haul, a variety of items. I bought these over the last probably 2 weeks and I've been stockpiling on. I'm like, okay, we've got to do a video. I've got to show these to you. I have more than just Tory Burch and Kendra Scott, but these are my two favorite. So let's get started. What I want to tell you guys, we're going to start with Kendra Scott. But I wanted to tell you that this will probably be the last video you will see from me in a while because I am having surgery. By the time you see this, I would have already had surgery. I am having another surgery on my foot that I've had surgery on before. For those of you that haven't seen me before or don't know what's going on, is I've had bunion surgery, I guess it's been 2 years now, on the left foot. And then I had a problem with the fourth toe. I had to have a second surgery on that. And now the neuroma, which I don't know why the doctor didn't take the neuroma out to begin with. But yeah, getting the neuroma finally taken out. But anyway, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to be down and out. It's not that big of a deal of a surgery compared to what I've already had. But I don't know how it's going to work for filming. So let me show you what I've got. And then when I can film, I'll film. And I know I have some boxes coming. So I'll work it out. All right. Okay. Kendra Scott. I have 2 items. Love Kendra Scott. And I know a lot of you guys know that. I usually wear a necklace that I wear all the time from them. But here's the thing with Kendra Scott. Throwing it on the floor. Your birthday month, if you sign up for their emails and you sign up for their birthday month, I don't even know if you have to get their emails, you will receive 50% off one item on your birthday month. Anytime during the month, you go in the store or order online, you get 50% off one item. So I just went into the store, probably, I think it was last week actually, and I bought 2 items. And this is kind of neat because I actually got 2 discounts. I bought a watch. I'm dying to wear this and I want to show it to you guys first. Look at this watch. I haven't set it yet. It is all right, I've got the watch on. I double checked. It is called the Ellie. And of course it's on this wrist, so you don't see it as easily. But I will insert some photos, but it's a strap. It's a leather band and it wraps around. So it looks like you've got a bracelet on with it. This one is black with the gold and it is a mother of pearl. And this is $198. But when I walked in the store, I loved it immediately. They have 2 other styles. They have a black with mother of pearl, silver. And then they also have another one. It is gold, but it has some other type of, I don't want to call it a stone design on the inside. I will insert photos for each one of those. I'm sure you guys have already seen those. But here's the thing, and I'm leaving this on to make sure the watch is actually working before I cut the tag off because I just reset the time. Here's the thing, with your birthday month, I got 25% off of this watch. So my price was $148.50. I love this. And okay, so with your birthday coupon, you get 25% off fine jewelry, which is their more expensive jewelry line, or on the watch or an accessory. I think you get 25% off like their jewelry boxes and stuff, but don't, double check on that. So I was really happy to receive 25% off of this watch. I think it's well worth the $148.50 that I paid for it. I was so excited. I decided that I wanted to get a bracelet to wear with it. This is nice. I set it, it's working, so that's good. So I got a bracelet. Here I am saying so. A bracelet to go with it. This is called the Zort. I think that's Zorte. This one is gold. See, and it's kind of beveled. It's a bangle. And it comes in, this size is a medium large, and they also have a size that is a small medium. I didn't realize that when I purchased this. I just saw it, I loved it. I said, I'll take that too. This is $60. Let me, it's got a opening right here. $60, and I just thought I got one birthday coupon, so I used I'm taking the tag off that one. So I was using it, you know, I was gonna pay $60 for the bracelet. I got 50% off. They gave me the 25% and the 50% off. Look how nice that is together. I think I'll probably wear it more on that side, maybe. Look at that. So this was 60, I got it for 30. So, and I got the watch for 148. So basically I got 2 items for the price of watch, sort of. Isn't that pretty? Now the bracelet comes in, also it comes in silver and rose gold. Love, love, love these. Love. Okay, so that's my birthday present to myself, because Mike and I, we don't exchange gifts. We don't exchange Christmas gifts. We don't exchange birthday gifts. We exchange cards. And we used to give each other 2 cards, like a serious card and a funny card. Well, then he starts giving me 3 cards. So now we're up to 3 cards for our birthdays. And what else is special is he said that this is my birthday month, the month of May, because I don't know when you're going to see this. And he has said happy birthday to me every single day. He said, this is your month. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's nice. So anytime we would do anything or we'd go out to dinner or something, he'd say, happy birthday, where do you want to go? So it's just cute, it's fun. And he's actually been out of town a couple times, couple weekends this month, and he calls me and tells me happy birthday. If nothing else, he tells me happy birthday. So, all right, enough of that. So I got that, and then Mike and I were in Florida a couple weeks ago. And just for a long weekend and just for some relaxation, some gorgeous weather, just kind of doing whatever. And so we had a lot of fun, and we always go to the outlet mall. There's only a couple stores I go in, and then there's a couple stores that he likes. And in Florida, they're a little different than they are in Ohio. All right, fun things come in small packages. All right, so of course I found something. I found a bag. Yeah. I found another bag. Look at this. Look how cute. It's like that, it's kind of like between a rose. It's more like between a rose and a burgundy. Now, when I went in the store, they had 4 of these on display. But they didn't have this color. They had like a black, a taupe, 2 other strange colors. And I said, don't you have a brighter color? She came out with this one. She said, this is the last one and it's on clearance. I'm like, let me see that. So it's bigger than it looks, because I didn't think I would be able to use it. So you can put your cards and stuff in there. This is wide enough to put my phone in and my glasses. And then if I have any cash on me, which sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, they will go in here, and it's secure. So if this pops open, because it's not fully zipped inside, and it's just a magnetic closure, it's got the gold on it. I love it. It has a pocket on the outside. Haven't used it yet. And it's let's see if I can stand up, crossbody. Okay, but I have this Tory Burch that I've been carrying. My daughter bought this for me, I think a year or 2 ago. And I love this. It's just enough. It's the right size. I could put my phone in here. I have my money, my wallet, it's in here, because this is all I carry. And I'm good to go. But this is very different, and look at the size difference. And I was carrying this when I was in the store. But this is really, It's just different. It's a little dressier. So I'll probably use this more like when we go out. Okay, so this is the Willa chain wallet. Oh, the chain comes off also. So you could use it as just a wallet or a clutch. It's regular $3.98. Yikes, I know. And it was on sale for $1.99. I think that's a little high, but I really liked it. Mike's bad influence, he encouraged me to get it. He goes, it's your birthday month. Yeah, it's your birthday month. So I got that. Okay. And then while I was in there, I also bought, do you guys like these roll-on perfumes? I love these. Love these. I'd rather buy this size than a full bottle. And I like that it rolls on. This is Tory Burch's original scent. I don't know the name of it, and it's $30 for this little thing. Yeah, $30. But at Ulta, it's $30 also. $30 at the outlet, $30 at Ulta. But I love it. It's nice and fresh. It's not like I don't really care for floral scents. And so this works out really well. Love it. Okay, and then while we were at the outlet mall in Florida, I bought a pair of shoes. Where are they? Of course, I went to the anntaylor outlet. I love anntaylor shoes. I don't know what, I was just kind of wondering. When I shop, I wander in fast and I leave fast. I don't spend a lot of time. But I thought these would be nice for summer. Look at this. It is a 3-inch heel. They are very comfortable. They're neutral. It's a synthetic material. They're not leather. They are comfortable. They really are. These are a size 7. And I thought, I debate it. I'm like, I don't know. But I thought they would look good with a pair of white denim, or I don't know. I didn't really think it through real good. But I tried them on, love them. It was the last pair they had in a size 7, and I don't know the name. The receipt is so vague. It has a number. I tried to look it up. I tried to find them. I cannot find them, but they might be at your local anntaylor outlet. They were regular $89.99, and they had a sale $53.99, which honestly, I normally wouldn't pay that much for a pair of shoes that I don't wear all the time. But I was there. I've never seen them before. I really like them. They were comfortable. So I went ahead and I bought them. So I was there and I got the heels. I also bought 2 necklaces. Oh, it was before Mother's Day. Or wait, was it before? It was before Mother's Day when we were in Florida. So I bought 2 necklaces. I bought one for my daughter, a different one. And I bought this one for me. Look at how pretty this is. One of the things I look for in jewelry are the stones or the crystals are on both sides, so that it's the same on both sides for anything that is on a piece of jewelry that has like a crystal. Love this. Okay, this one I thought was a good deal. It was $36.99. And I bought this for $18.49. I don't know what it's called, but it's a nice longer kind of necklace to dress up a plain top. So got that, love it. All right, the next couple items, or wait, is this the last items I have are not exciting. I actually went to TJ Maxx and HOMEGOODS, and I bought the same thing from both stores because I don't know about you guys, but we love fingertip towels. Fingertip towels are hard to find, let me tell you. So TJ Maxx had these. Look how pretty that is. They're soft. We have some, and they're getting kind of they need to be replaced. I think it was $7.99 each for a 2-pack. $7.99. For TJ Maxx, I don't know. I think it's a little pricey, but they're hard to find. These are hard to find. So I bought whatever TJ Maxx had. This is all I could find. So then I went to HOMEGOODS and I bought everything they had. So I got this pattern. I love these. They're so soft. 3 of these, and they had 2 of these. $7.99. Yeah, I know. So Mike has always used a fingertip towel or some type of towel that he's always had by the sink. And I always thought that was a little strange for some reason, because normally you put a towel, like maybe a hand towel, next to the sink that's hanging up. But he had a small, I think it was a small towel they had laying on his sink, ever since I met him. And we go through these like crazy. Like, I know when I have to wash towels because I know we're out of fingertip towels. Now, anyone who's not familiar with the fingertip towels, looks like there's 2 in each package. So I want to open these and wash them so we can start using them. My initial thought was to save them for the new house. And I'm like, why save them? Let's just go ahead and start using them, because we need to replace the ones that we have. The ones we currently have probably need to start being used as rags, cleaning rags. So here it's just a little towel. That's it. So we just kind of fold them over and lay them on the sink, and then I change them out every day. So got those. So I think we're stocked up pretty good because they're hard to find. I think I already said that. How many times did I say that? And that's it. That is my shopping haul. I'm excited to wear my bracelet and my watch. Thanks for watching, everyone. I don't know when I'll see you again, but I'm sure I'm going to be doing some online shopping. So have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.